Hello ladies and gentlemen, we're here to do another unboxing, yeah, from Walmart.com. I bought something. This bad boy right here. Let's come on over and let's see what's going on. Let's focus right here. We're gonna rip into this sucker. Get that son of a bitch out. There we go. Check it out.
Very qualified if. Hold on. There.
Okay,
Right there.
it had to focus. Okay.
We're good.
Zentronics video sunglasses. 1080p, buddy.
Magnifique.
Alright. I'm gonna see if I can. What is this? Oh, it comes with a memory card. I gotta put the memory card in, evidently. The memory card's taped to the side.
Yeah, that's what you say.
And I gotta put it in myself, I guess. Let's see what's in the box. There's the glasses themselves. They look super cool. Awesome. So we'll set them down next to the memory card.
And we'll even up like Scotty.
Yeah. And they even come with a cool case to keep them in. Awesome.
Let's see that case.
Let's see what's in the case.
What's in the case?
And the case
Damn good.
comes with a little cloth to wipe them and keep them clean. Isn't this interesting? It comes
What?
with a flash drive.
Oh, you reckon?
Yeah, that's a flash
Let me
drive.
look at it. Oh, I see what you're saying. The same as my flash drive.
Yeah. Well, I had no idea. That's neat. It comes with a flash drive, guys.
Awesome.
Alright. And it comes with a USB cable to plug it into your computer and to download and to charge it.
Are you talking about these? These are just cords, huh? These are cords.
Yeah, it's just a cord.
Well, cords are good. Well, you need everything.
And here is another.
Oh, it's a cloth.
Okay, yeah, I think you put them in here maybe.
Yeah, we ain't got to fool with that.
Yeah, I don't know, but comes with another piece of cloth. And what is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, this is you attach this to the glasses to wrap it around the back of your head, like this.
Is that what you want to do?
I'm not going to do that, but it'll keep them on. You know, keep them from falling
But
off.
it would help some folks.
Yeah,
Okay.
keep them falling
That'll
off.
work.
Okay, the question is,
What else you got?
I didn't see any instructions. Did I miss it? Oh, there they are. There's the instructions.
Oh, by golly. Let's
And
lay
the
down what's to
instructions.
do with the instructions.
All right, we're gonna read the instructions and we'll get right back with y'all. Okay, I read the instructions, and they were not helpful at all, but we're gonna do the best we can. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try to insert this card into the glasses, and they didn't give me any instructions on that.
They never do.
Okay, so I don't know what this is. This is a big old card, and that doesn't fit. See, there's a little hole right there for the card. So maybe I use this little one. Maybe this is what we use. Let's see. Let's try and see if it fits. Like I said, they didn't give me any help with the instructions.
They never do.
Okay, it's in there. So I guess, I don't know what this one's for, I don't know. This bigger card. You know what I think this is? I think you can pull this card out and put it in here and maybe plug it into your computer somehow. You know what? I have no idea though. But all right, we got the memory card in. So, and here's the plug for the USB. So now we're going to attempt to charge up the glasses with our USB cable. Okay. Excuse me. So we plug in the USB cable.
Do you think?
And now we're going to plug this USB cable into the glasses right here.
What, you gonna make a virtual reality thing?
Oh, we got it backwards. There we go. Alright. And what we're doing is we're charging. See the red light turned on?
Oh, I see.
So that means we're charging. Alright, we're going to charge them up, and then we'll try to film something with these glasses. Alright folks, I see that the charging light has turned off, which means that the glasses are fully charged. I assume that's what it means. So we're going to take some video with the glasses, and then we'll show you. We're going to attempt to download it to the computer, and then we'll show you what it looked like. Alright, that's good. Alright folks, we recorded a little video, and now we're going to try to download it to the computer by way of a USB port. We're plugging in our USB, and we're going to turn on the glasses with this button right here. Okay. It vibrates twice, and the green light stays on. This time the green light is staying on because it's plugged in. Okay, and as we plug it in, it brings up this menu where you can, you have options for importing pictures and video and stuff like that, just like any USB device. And we're going to view the files. And we have 2 videos that were recorded, and we're going to attempt to download them to our, zoom back a little bit, get the whole screen in. We're going to attempt to download them to our video section here. Or actually I'm going to put them in pictures because that's just the way I do it.
I wish I could zoom it on into the computer screen, but I can't.
Okay. Here we are, we're downloading the files. And we're going to see if it worked, if we can actually watch them. And if it didn't, I'm going to tell y'all. I'm going to let y'all know that it's some BS. And the thing doesn't work like it's supposed to. Okay, here we go. We're going to watch our first video. Let's see.
It's a lot of folders.
Yeah, that's all my old videos. I don't know what it's doing. It doesn't seem to be working. Oh, there it is.
Okay. It look better on video than in real life.
Oh, wow. It's kind of got a bubble effect to it. Wow. Okay. In fact, we're going to switch to showing you the real video. So it works. Everything works. We're going to switch to showing you the real video now. Okay, now we're recording again. Oh, don't I look handsome? Yeah. So, just to give you an idea of the camera and how it records, this is all right now. Everything you've seen is being recorded with the glasses. I'm just walking around with the glasses. It's really cool. Yeah. And that's what's up, folks. All right. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you did. Please take the time to like it. After all, it doesn't cost you nothing.
And all right, have a great day, and see you later.